Hello, this is Jason, Equipment Remarketing. I'm going to give you a nice video here of a 2014 MOFFETT M55 10-foot mast sitting here showing 2,647 hours. Now this thing has been refurbished and completely repainted. What we've done here is we look for anything worn such as pins, bushings, mast bearings, rollers, chains. Anything of that matter that's bad or worn, it's replaced. If we find that it's still in good working order within specs, it's gone ahead and left go. We also pressure leak test the system, find leaking cylinders, hoses, hydraulic pump. If any of that is bad, it's replaced. If not, it's left alone. Now this thing is standing tall. It's been completely repainted. What we've done is we take off this roll cage, the diamond plating here. You can see evidence of the bolts being removed and replaced. The seat's been removed, the battery cover, a couple of these gray covers. This stuff's painted separate, like the hood and back door. Then we can put it back together so you have paint in between everything. It has all new decals, nice rubber, almost new in front. In the back here, ladies and gentlemen, the back rubber is about 60%. All your filters have been changed. You have new fluids. Your filters are date coded there. You know how long you can run it. You can just buy this, hit the ground running. Show you here the engine, ladies and gentlemen. Right there's your Kubota V2203. Long-lasting engine in Bobcats. Should give you lots of service life yet. That was for years in the 753 and different Bobcats. Very good motor. Very reliable. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to fire it up here and show you how she runs. We're going to give you some mast operations, but first this Kubota is going to be fired up to life. See how nice she runs? Okay, now we're going to go ahead and have the mast go up and down. Here's your tilt. Side shift. Outriggers. Mast going in and out, your mast carriage. Now we're just going to show you how smooth it runs, how nice the hydraulic motors are all in sync. Your steering's very tight, backup alarm, all lights are working. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we've got yourself what we call an operational guarantee. We're going to give you an operational guarantee and an engine warranty. Now, operational guarantee is extremely short term. Just when it shows up, it's going to be like I said here today. We're going to back you up and get it fixed. If it isn't, you can buy this thing touchless, sight unseen. And ladies and gentlemen, if you need, the engine's going to be going ahead backed up for 30 days. So this Kubota engine is backed up by us for 30 days. You can give us a call at 260-238-4998, 260-238-4998. Why even buy new when you get the operational guarantee and the 30-day operational guarantee when it shows up, and you also get yourself a 30-day guarantee on the engine. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I'm not sure if it's additional, but we can switch you out for regular forks. Right now it has brick and block forks, so just let me know. Give Mike a call and we take good care of you. Have a blessed day.